Hold up, bro. On me.
How you fall out?
Yeah, I told you, boy. The dude in the passenger side pushed me out this bitch.
Oh, baby.
Oh shit.
Hey, come back this way. That shit loud as hell in that bitch.
What's good?
Club jumping. Yeah, we.
What y'all got going on? What the hell going on? I can't hear nothing,
Hey,
bro.
walk back this way.
Yeah,
Walk
the
back this
club.
way.
That's
Don't
the
count.
club, bro. The
I
club
can't
loud
even
like
hear
that.
nothing. What's going
It's
on?
the club, bro.
What
The
we
club
doing?
loud. Club loud.
We good. We chilling. We chilling.
And that bitch so loud.
Up and sticks on niggas and everything, ain't they?
Get in, twin. Get in, twin.
Get in, Hector. Get in, Hector.
Get in, twin.
Oh, bullshit.
Hey,
Yeah.
follow that shit.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Follow that shit.
Oh.
Follow that shit.
Y'all ready?
Wherever they go, follow that shit. Them niggas shit. Oh, Dre. They shooting. They just shot. No, hey, spin that shit. Spin that
Who
shit.
just shot? Who shoot?
Hey, let's do it. They was
Come
just
on, let's chase them
shooting.
down.
Hey, yo, they shoot.
What kind of car they was in?
A
What kind of car they
Durango
was
and
in?
some other shit. I don't know it. I know they was in a Durango though.
The boy probably getting so far.
Who the fuck them niggas in?
I don't know. I seen Grandpa shooting.
Tornado
though.
game.
Grandpa firing that shit. That game right there. Who that?
Unbelievable. Oh, nice.
Who that? Who that? Who that? Oh, they folks. Who the mill across there at the stove? Who that? Who that?
Hey, y'all start that shit. Y'all stupid ass niggas sitting
Yeah,
inside.
post that on Twitter. Post that
Who
bitch
it
ass
is?
nigga on Twitter. Post that bitch ass nigga on Twitter, yo. Lay him
Color
down,
nigga-
post him on Twitter, bro.
Color that nigga flag
Yeah,
here.
post that nigga on
Fuck
Twitter,
that.
nigga. Post him on Twitter, nigga.
Y'all ain't even kill me.
Put him on Twitter, nigga.
My man.
Put him on Twitter. Put him on Twitter. Put him on Twitter, nigga.
Fuck nigga talking about, man. I don't know what's going on.
Hey, nigga, stop talking.
Come on. Yo! Yo! Come on, man. Come on.
Yeah, nigga, stop talking. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Are you good? Come on, come on. Oh, shit. Hey, who's sliding with us? Come on, come on. Y'all jumping in the track?
Yeah, nigga, you can't drive. Oh, come on, let go.
Where them nigga went, man?
I don't know where that nigga went.
They still down there at the club?
Oh, they at?
Niggas high.
This nigga can't drive.
Hey! Hey!
Hoover or something. I need some
They
food.
still
Yeah,
down there at the club?
yeah. Yo, let's slide on motherfucking red flag and Hoover, bro. Them niggas been killing me, man. I
Come on,
want
wait.
it.
Let go
I'm
repair
following
this
you.
bitch and let go
All
back.
right, come on.
Horns on the run.
Nigga, you got some food on you?
Who, me?
Yeah, somebody.
Yeah, I got that book bag, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the club. Open like a motherfucker. Book bag stacked, man. I ain't selling book bags of food, nigga. I ain't got no food, nigga.
Get that shit in my car.
Hey, Grandpa. You already know I know you, man.
Nigga just.
y'all do?
We
Byron,
shot that
no.
bitch up.
RP ain't
God.
handling
It's like it's a little alley up here, right? My car went out. It's a little alley up here.
Come on, we'll be
Hey,
over
look, this is
here.
what we gonna do. We gonna shoot 3 from the back and 3 from the front, bro. Cause it's an alley right in front of us. It's an alley right behind it, bro. They sit in the parking lot and listen to music all day in the jump.
Yeah,
So y'all just want to spray that bit on site?
man, come on.
Yeah, that shit ain't repairing, bro. Is it repairing for you, Dizzy?
Yeah, get out.
Hey, be on BS. Wait, nah, is that no?
What is?
Who?
Who's that?
It's flop. What's
That's a
that?
pad. That's a pad.
That's dude that we just killed. That's dude
What's
we
that
just
called?
killed.
What's that called? What's that called?
That
What's
dude
that
we just
called?
killed right there.
Slid behind a black man.
That's a seal, man.
Nah,
Stop
I'm talking
chasing
about
the
right.
damn
Nah, he
seal,
about
man.
to shoot this nigga right here, right behind us.
Where?
Yes. This a black Maybach they in, bro. I just seen him drive by.
Okay.
Like the bitch was outside the club
I know
earlier.
you tired of here chasing that damn seal, man.
See it like when you ready.
He just say ABM is soft. Ben, nigga. Nigga just sat on Twitter.
Block it, didn't
Yeah,
block
but
real.
we still do y'all in this shit though. Nah, turn around. I'm moving. Oh.
Boy, your ass played, boy. Played. Boy, we been dead as fuck. Right. That's the.
Yo,
Got somebody.
yo.
I killed 2. I killed 2.
I think we got one more over there.
Fuck it, we out, bitch. They felt that shit.
Nah, I thought another nigga. We got another nigga over there.
Nah, who over there?
The nigga I was in the car with.
Damn.
I think they down to that.
Damn.
Man, someone of
Go
y'all
get him.
down me on my soul. I got hit in the
I
back.
just
of
called
the
Boy,
head.
I ain't even catch
I
nobody.
saw Grandpa
Nobody
shooting that
else.
smoke ass. I saw Grandpa shooting that smoke ass. I was like, see that?
Yo, bitch, your
Shit,
ass
bitch.
Oh,
She had his ass too.
Nigga, I started flaming that ass too. Nigga, I saw that shit.
I'm a
I
target.
was like, it's another
damn.
op.
Oh, go put the seatbelts on me.
Oh, it's over with.
Go put the seatbelts on that bit, Mike. Respawn on the street. The driver gonna have to hop out on me or
I
FA.
ain't hopping.
You got it.
My house out, I died.
Somebody gonna have to step out.
Oh, grandpa. Ah.
Use the parachute. We out, chap. Oh, we good.
We good, man. Look at the Irish on me.
Yeah. That shit was bad.
Bad.
They good shit.
Man, I don't know who
I
shot
saw,
me. One of y'all shot me though. God,
I saw 4 niggas slumped over in the
that bitch still got sprayed down the right way on my soul.
Them niggas about to report about that.
I didn't even know they were they block, but I'm gonna start fucking with them. On God, you know I don't never have my flag on. Straight gonna pop out the house. You know J-Rock got the house right there.
Yo.
Yo, see, bringing my mans to the spitter. To the spitter.
Big grandpa right there.
And I need some food.
Bet. I'm gonna give you something when I come back to life.
I'm about to die right now.
Get your percent on.
I guess.
Hey, look. Damn, bro, we need to get you some food. Come on, y'all.
Hey, you ain't even gotta pay. That shit lagged out right now. Just press E.
You said just press E.
Yeah. Click it. Don't hold it, man.
I clicked that bit.
Click
It say I don't have enough money.
it. You ain't got no
food?
bread, nigga?
Let me go. Let me
Nah.
go.
Man, I've been waiting on my check for you, man. I'm waiting on that welfare, that stimmy. I'm waiting on my stimmy. I used to fuck up though. You see that shit? Dance. That chain fake don't even tell me. You see the rest of this shit though. You gonna give me a real chain tomorrow, nigga. I'm moving the city, but it's gonna take some time, bro. Do it.
On the flag you got on.
Man, I was dead when I was changing my clothes. Niggas keep saying that. How you take this shit off?
Come on.
Give me some food, nigga.
Oh yeah, come on. Yeah.
I need that. Hey, them niggas hurt right now, boy.
What percent you on?
Huh? I'm on like 3, nigga. Yeah, I'm on 3. I'm about to die. Pass me anything. I don't give a damn.
It's on the floor, man.
Set it on the floor. Yeah, them niggas definitely hot.
Who does he calling me? Chopper Banks. Yo,
Going.
Where y'all at?
we got down coming by my gun. Going by Grove Street.
Get in, nigga.
I'm trying to figure out where this nigga going. It's the wrong strip club, dog.
Where we finna go? Let me let them boys know they trying to link back up.
Gotta go pick the nigga up. Whoever this good club is.
Go back to the block. Somebody the brother who with them. And then right there by the gun store right there behind them. They're behind them, for sure. Don't shake them now.
What I'm saying?
No, that was the op.
Nah, nigga, that was them.
What?
That was gang, nigga.
Them niggas can't bounce back from that right now.
Y'all, hey,
Hated their ass, dude.
Pull up to the block.
y'all was just in that track one?
Pull up to the block.
To the what? A little bit. The boy said pull up to the bar. He was tripping. You might be talking about him.
Y'all shit really work. It's thunder on their car.
What's the word, man?
Why you gotta jock me, son? He don't need to go to the hospital, bro. He's straight. He just passed out on the ground.
Hey, officer. Mind your motherfucking business. Come on, fool.
Nah, we
I didn't do about four
What you
hundred
saying,
thousand
bro?
in this motherfucker. I said I didn't do. Stop. You nigga dancing on the car. What's the word though, buddy?
Oh, wait on these niggas get in the car.
Bro, don't make
Dancing
me
on
fall,
some.
bro. Don't care.
Where the hell you going, nigga?
I don't know how to get in the car, man.
Y'all
Get
go on
in
the
now.
other side.
Get in now. Get in now. I just switch seats.
My shit tripping.
Oh, that didn't even.
My shit tripping bad. There you go. Oh, I can't drive.
You
No.
jump in the driver's seat. I drive this motherfucker, man. Look, everybody in this motherfucker. I just want y'all to know y'all got the wrong nigga behind the wheel. Drunk as a bitch. Hold
That's
on.
too loud.
Yeah. Bro, y'all got the wrong nigga in the driver's seat. I'm drunk as fuck.
Man, my controller dead. I gotta reconnect. Fly out. Fly back in. I don't know nothing about the keyboard. Where we finna go? They trying to see. Hey, yo.
Yo.
Where y'all at?
Block to the block. I think they finna spin this shit. Them tornado
What
gang
block?
niggas.
I block. I block.
Tornado gang niggas been spinning past that bitch. Come on.
Bet. He said they putting up at I block. He said they keep spinning the block.
What love got to do? Got to do. Oh, your ass wasn't even dead up there, baby.
Hell no, I was just in there. Wow,
Damn.
bro, I swear to God, my screen's still blurry, bro. I can't see shit. I don't know how I'm driving.
Up, bro. I just passed out.
I don't know how the fuck I'm still doing. What's the word, Brady?
I think we left Grandpa there. Yeah.
Bro, I asked was everybody in the car. What's the word, bro? Shit, what you want? You say you doing what?
I get them nigga about 10 minutes. They don't come going right back to this shit.
Yeah, I definitely did. They had the dumb way. About to head tap the fuck out of me though. From my side.
You got killed, bro?
Hey, yeah, by one of y'all last. I got shot in the head by one of the own gang, no cap.
Damn.
Yeah, I tried to get close up on the car. I had the shotgun. I couldn't even get that bitch out good enough.
Right, we
I
trying
pulled
to do
up,
that
I
shit
pulled up the
again,
little,
though.
I pulled up the little emote menu hopping out the car. I was so ready.
Me too, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, we going back, though, if they don't come.
I'm ready.
Bitch, I get that shit about 10 minutes.